Hey everyone, it's Kiri here and I'm going to be showing you how to use the new effect on Funimate. It is called Puddle. So I'm going to be showing you what all these different keyframes do and how to use them. So the first option there is strength. So strength basically shows the puddles and increases it depending on how strong you want them to show. So when they are at 100, they are at the most puddle-like effect. When it is at 0, it is just a regular image. So depending on the transition or how you just want it to look, you can change that as you please. The next effect is frequency, which changes the amount of puddles there are. So when you increase it to 100, this is the maximum that you can see. When you decrease it, you can see it gets less and less until there's none visible. So then again, depending on what you're trying to do, if you want it to actually zoom in and out, that is up to you to choose. The next effect there is speed. Speed changes how fast or slow or non-existent it moves. So for example, at 0, it stays still. Whereas if you go to 100, the puddle actually moves quite fast. Say you want a faster transition, you would move it faster. If you want it slower, you can do that. But then again, you can move it as you please to give it a really cool effect. I will just leave it at around 50 for now. The next effect is inner radius. So what this one actually does is kind of takes away the puddle in the inner part, so in the middle. Say you want the person in the image to be more visible, or say you have another effect or a 3D model or some sort of visual thing in the middle, you can obviously increase the inner radius so you can actually see it whilst still having the outer puddle with the effect. Like this, for example. Or you can even decrease it and still have it a little bit visible rather than quite hard to see. Then the next one is outer radius, very similar to the inner radius, just the other direction. So when you decrease, you can see that the outside is what clears up, and then the middle is just what is the puddle. So then again, you can always do both at the same time and just have like a little one inside. That's up to you to play around with. And the last and final keyframe in water puddle is center. So you can reposition where you want this puddle to be. You can leave it in the middle, sides, even at the top. And then you can make it look like the top is puddling, bottom, corners. It's all up to you to play around with, depending on the effect, transition, background, what you would like to do. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching and can't wait to see all your edits with the new water puddle keyframe. Thanks for watching.